Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Networks are constantly evolving and adapting to meet the changing needs of businesses and technological advancements. These have brought great benefits to our personal and working lives. Virtualization. Virtualization allows multiple virtual environments to run simultaneously on a single physical infrastructure, enabling better utilization of hardware and reducing costs. Virtual computing services over the Internet, allowing users to access and utilize infrastructure as a service, IaaS, refers to servers that can be accessed using software applications, such as web and mobile apps, devices, and potentially increasing productivity. BYOD can careful balance between convenience and security to protect corporate resources and